Did you know how a Florida valedictorian turned into a Grammy-nominated rapper with a net worth of $6 million? In today's video, we're about to uncover an electrifying story that's not just limited to the world of rap. Plies' journey, from his jaw-dropping net worth to his luxury cars and mansion, will inspire everyone. But it wasn't all easy. His struggle-filled path could change the way you think. If you believe rap is just about glam and fame, think again. Buckle up, because today we're taking you on a ride through the fast lane of a person who's the perfect example of turning the impossible into possible. Are you ready for a story that will shake both your heart and mind? Let's get started. Plies, born Algernon Lanier Washington on July 1, 1976, in Fort Myers, Florida, is a name synonymous with rap success and resilience. But his journey wasn't a straightforward climb to stardom. Before the gold records and Grammy nominations, Plies lived a life that few could have predicted: a valedictorian in high school, a college football player, and later, an entrepreneur with an unrelenting passion for music. This is the story of how he turned his life experiences into a $6 million empire. Plies' early life showcased his multifaceted talents. At Fort Myers Senior High School, he wasn't just a star athlete, playing defensive back and receiver, he was also the valedictorian of his graduating class. Known for his sharp style, he was voted the best-dressed student, proving that he always had a knack for making an impression. But his life wasn't all about academics and football. Beneath the surface, a passion for music was brewing, a passion that would change his life forever. Plies attended Miami University on a football scholarship, playing as a wide receiver from 1995 to 1997. Known as Nod Washington, on the field, he had the potential for a professional football career. However, life had other plans. After transferring to the University of Central Florida, Plies ultimately left college, choosing to follow his heart into the music world. This bold decision marked the beginning of his journey into the rap industry. In the late 90s, Plies teamed up with his stepbrother, Big Gates, to create Big Gates Records. The duo recorded and promoted their first single, gaining attention in Miami's music scene. Their relentless hustle caught the eye of Slip and Slide Records, leading to Plies signing his first major deal. This was the foundation upon which Plies would build his music empire. Plies burst onto the rap scene in 2007 with his debut album, The Real Testament. Featuring hits like Shorty, a collaboration with T-Pain, the album quickly climbed the charts. Shorty not only topped the Billboard Hot Rap Tracks chart but also peaked at number 9 on the Hot 100. His next two singles saw similar success, and within 6 months, the album was certified gold by the RIAA. Not one to rest on his laurels, Plies released his second album, Definition of Real, in 2008, just 10 months after his debut. The single, Busted Baby Part 2, featuring Neo, became an instant hit, reaching number 2 on the Hot Rap Tracks chart. The album sold over 200,000 copies in its first week and earned a gold certification within 4 months. By the time his third album, Da Realist, dropped in December 2008, Plies had firmly established himself as a rap heavyweight. Plies' rise to fame wasn't without controversy. In 2006, a nightclub performance in Florida took a violent turn when members of his entourage were involved in a shooting that left 5 people injured. Plies faced charges for illegal possession of a concealed weapon, and the incident could have ended his career. But instead of letting it define him, Plies used the experience to fuel his music, creating raw, relatable tracks that resonated with fans. In 2017, Plies faced another legal issue when he was arrested for driving under the influence in Wesley Chapel, Florida. Despite these setbacks, Plies continued to push forward, proving time and again that resilience is a cornerstone of his success. Today, Plies' net worth is estimated at $6 million, a testament to his hard work and business acumen. While music remains his primary source of income, Plies has diversified his earnings through entrepreneurship and strategic investments. His ability to turn challenges into opportunities has been key to building his empire. Beyond his wealth and fame, Plies is committed to giving back to the community. He has supported education and other social causes, using his platform to inspire and uplift others. For Plies, success isn't just about personal gain, it's about making a difference. Plies enjoys the fruits of his labor, living a life of luxury that includes high-end cars and stunning mansions. But beneath the glamour, he remains grounded, always staying true to his roots and the struggles that shaped him. Plies' story is one of ambition, resilience, and transformation. From a valedictorian and football player to a Grammy-nominated rapper and entrepreneur, he's proven that success comes to those who dare to follow their dreams. With a $6 million net worth and a legacy that goes beyond music, Plies is a true testament to the power of determination. If Plies' story inspired you, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories. Who should we cover next? Let us know in the comments below.
Bro, he do a whole lot of capping. Know a couple hoes, do a whole lot of scamming. Live it on the edge, I do a whole lot of gambling. Keep me some motion, bitch, just like the movie.